guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Carla and this is Carla's Sweet Life. Today's video is a Christmas hot cocoa and a coffee bar. I am so excited to be doing this. It is my first year to be doing like a complete setup, and my family, my husband, my kids adore hot cocoa. They will have it every single day. So I'm really excited to set this up for them so they can have it for the rest of the season and really enjoy it. This video is also a collaboration with Stevie from Stevie's Life. She did a fall coffee bar station. Oh my gosh, serious goals. It was really good and cute. I loved every single thing about it. So we decided to do a Christmas hot cocoa and coffee bar for you guys. So we're really excited to be sharing this with y'all. Make sure to go check out her channel and her video once you're done watching this. But hopefully you're inspired to do a little hot chocolate or cocoa, whatever you want to call it, and coffee bar for your family as well. I started by placing all the food items in jars or bowls, whatever you have. That way, because obviously this stuff you're going to use. And then I recommend putting the bigger items on your coffee bar or hot chocolate bar. Place the bigger items and then play around with the smaller items.
know I can't wait for the weekend. Waking up next to you, we'll be sharing our secrets, making dreams come true. Let's have a toast for the lovers. We'll tumble round in the snow, and my heart's going boom, boom, boom. You're so beautiful. What a night. Can you feel it?
The fun part about creating a Christmas hot cocoa and coffee bar is just putting your own touches to it. I loved adding the pops of red in this hot cocoa and coffee bar, and then just the sprinkling of the green as well just puts it all together. And even the wafers, it just adds such a fun texture, as well as like the marshmallows. It's just fun to have the clear containers.
Though we text every day, and still my feelings are so strong. How I miss your face. Let's have a toast for the lovers. We'll tumble round in the snow, and my heart's going boom, boom, boom. You're so beautiful. Can you feel it too? Girl, I won't let you go. When the sky comes alive, let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday, yeah. Let's have a jolly holiday, 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 yeah. Can't wait another year. Just talking on the phone, I'll make you feel at home. Oh, when I got you by my side, what a night.
Most of my items are from Target, TJ Maxx, or Marshalls, so super affordable pieces, but I just want to say that have fun with this. This is supposed to be something that is enjoyable. I really loved doing this. I cannot wait to do this from like here on out forever, because my family has always loved hot chocolate, but I never really put this like... I didn't even know hot cocoa bars existed till last year when I started watching YouTube. Was really inspired to create this for my family because they love it so much. So do it for you and your family and enjoy the process.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name.
So I just added this, and then I took away the little white thing. It was like too much white going on. And now I really think it's perfect.
It's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name.
hope y'all enjoyed this Christmas hot cocoa, chocolate, coffee bar, whatever you want to call it. I hope y'all enjoyed it and got some tips and little ideas, inspiration to create your own in your home. If you do, tag me like on Instagram and show me what you've done. I love to see other hot cocoa bars or coffee bars. I love to see them. Don't forget to go check out Stevie's video. I can't wait to watch it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. I'm doing a little Christmas series right now. I do tons of clean and motivation, but doing some Christmas decorating for the Christmas season. I hope y'all enjoyed this. I will see you on the next one. Bye. And y'all have a beautiful day. Also a collaboration with Stevie from Stevie's Life. So we decided to do this hot cocoa. Hi you guys, welcome back. I hope you guys